Welcome everyone to IWI Sage X3 Shop Floor Data Collection Overview. IWI Sage X3 Shop Floor Data Collection module is an X3 add-on to provide ease of use on the shop floor and automates the data collection from production floor in real time. The shop floor data collection provides real-time data of people, material, machines, and provides a shop floor tracking workbench, tracks work orders, monitors your work centers, collects all your labor data, as well as tracking your machine time, track your raw materials and finished goods, your direct labor, including your setup and runtime, actual versus elapsed time, and employee performance. Now let's take a look at the Sage X3 Shop Floor Data Collection. X3 Shop Floor Data Collection is a web browser-based data collection tool which helps to increase efficiency on the manufacturer's shop floor with the ease of use interface. Shop floor data collection runs on any Bluetooth-compatible smartphone or tablet and connects with a scanner to track shop floor transactions. It captures employees' clock in and clock outs, as well as regular labor tracking transactions. Now let's look at the X3 Shop Floor dashboard. It shows production and timing, setup and runtime, plus production output on the right part of the dashboard. Next, we're going to switch to the X3 Shop Floor control process. And we're going to press the labor. We're going to scan employee 1001 to clock in. Now this will be reflected on the dashboard in the worksheet on the upper left. Now let's register employee 1001 for work order 278 and operation 10. We scan the employee ID, the work order number, the operation number, and we'll add 1 hour for demo purposes and click Add. Now we scan runtime for operation 10 for Natalie and work order 278 with 2 hours runtime. And then we're going to press validate. It's reflected on the dashboard with the increased timing for the setup and runtime of the job. This is displayed in the duration pie in the center of the dashboard. And we make another run, operation 10 for Natalie, for the same work order, 278. We open the scanning dashboard, scan the employee ID, press time tracking, scan the work order. The operation is completed and with the quantities, and we're just going to add 2 hours. Then we press validate again. Now switching back to the dashboard, you see the new record on the upper left worksheet along with the updated pie charts. Now you see how simple it is to input data into your X3 Shop Floor Control Data Collection tool. I'd like to thank you for your time and your interest in IWI's Shop Floor Data Collection module. We can be reached at 416-499-4821, extension 1001, or emailed at sales@iwigroup.ca. Have a great day, everyone.